Hello friends, welcome to Art with Aruna, and today I will show you how you can write the table and dodging the table of any number which is having 9 at its ones place. Here I divided this video into two parts. First part contained writing the table and second part is dodging the table. Let's start. Let's start with the table of 29. So here you can see that we have 9 at ones place and 2 at tens place. So what we need to do? First of all, we need to write down the numbers in reverse order for the ones place. So here we have 9, then 8, then 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Right? So here we are done with the ones place value. Now, here you can see that we have 2 at tens place. So what we need to do? Simply we need to add 1 to the tens digit. So 2 plus 1, 3. Here we got 3 and we need to add this 3 to this tens digit. So here you can see that 2 plus 3 we got 5. Again add 3. So here 3 plus 5 8. Again add 3. So 8 plus 3 11. Again add 3. 11 plus 3 14. Again add 3. 14 plus 3 17. Again add 3. 17 plus 3 20. Again add 3. 20 plus 3 23. Again add 3. 23 plus 3 26. Again add 3. 26 plus 3 29. So here we are done with the table of 29. So here you can see that how easily we wrote the table of 29. Let's take another example. Suppose we want to write down the table of 79. So here again we have 9 at ones place and 7 at tens place. So we need to follow the same rule which we are done for the number 29 here. So simply we will write the numbers in reverse order for ones place. So here I am writing 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Then to get the tens digit, what we need to do? Here we have 7 at tens digit, so we need to add 1 to this. So here 7 plus 1 8, and so here we need to add this 8 to this 7. So here 7 plus 8 15. Again add 8. 15 plus 8 23. 23 plus 8 that is 31. 31 plus 8 39. 39 plus 8 that is 47. 47 plus 8 55. 55 plus 8 63. 63 plus 8 71, and 71 plus 8 79. So here we got the table of 79. Let's take another example. I am taking number 99. Here ones place contain 9 and tens place also contain the 9. So here we will follow the same rule for the ones place value. So here 9, then 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now here we have 9 at tens place. So add 1 here. So 9 plus 1 10. Now we need to add this 10 to this 9. So here 9 plus 10 19. 19 plus 10 29. 29 plus 10 39. 49 59 69 79 89 99. So here how easily we wrote the table of 99 here. Let's take another example, that is 149. So here we have 9 at ones place and we have 14 at tens and hundred place. We will take this as one unit. So here repeat the same process. We are going to write the numbers in reverse order. So here 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. We have 14 at tens place. So 14 plus 1 is 15. We need to add this 15 here. So here 14 plus 15 29. Now again add 15. 29 plus 15 that is 44. Then 44 plus 15 it is 59. 59 plus 15 that is 74. 74 plus 15 that is 89. 89 plus 15, that is 104. 104 plus 15, that is 119. 119 plus 15, that is 134. And 134 plus 15, that is 149. So here you can see that how easily we wrote the table of even 3-digit number, that is 149 here. I hope you understood the concept how easily we can write the table of any number which is having 9 at its ones place. This method is only applicable for the writing tables because here each number is obtained from the previous number. This method is not applicable for the dodging the table. Now let's see how we can perform dodging for these numbers. For example, if someone will ask me 39 cross 7, then I can directly write here 3 and 27 here. So I got the answer 273. Now let's see how we can solve such type of questions. So to solve these questions, we need to remember the pair of 10. Pair of 10 means when we add 1 with 9, we get 10. When we add 2 with 8, we get 10. 3 plus 7, that is 10. 4 plus 6, that is 10. And 5 plus 5 is 10. So here we can say that 1 and 9 are the pair, 2 and 8 are the pair, 3 and 7 are the pair, 4 and 6 are the pair, and 5 is pair of itself. So let's understand this concept with the help of an example. Let's take the number 79 cross 6. So here you can see that we have to multiply 79 by 6. So here pair of 6 is 4. So here we need to write down the 4 at ones place. Now what we need to do? We need to come to this tens place value. So here we have 7. So simply we need to add 1 to this tens place value, that is 7 plus 1, that is 8. And now we need to multiply this 8 with this 6. 8 cross 6 is 48. And now we need to subtract 1 from here. So here we get 47. So here we have the answer 474. Let's take another example. 69 cross 7. So here we need to multiply 69 by 7. So here pair of 7 is 3. So we will write this 3 here at ones place. Now we have 6 at tens place. So we need to add 1 to this 6. So 6 plus 1, that is 7. And now we need to multiply this 7 by this 7. So 7 cross 7, that is 49. And now we need to subtract 1 from this 49, that is 48. So here we can write the 48. So here we got the answer 483. Let's take another example, that is 109 multiplied by 2. So here you can see that pair of 2 is 8. So here we need to write down the 8 at ones place. Now the next number is 10. So add 1 to this 10, that is 11. 11 multiplied by 2, that is 22. And 22 minus 1, that is 21. So here we can write 218. Let's take another example, that is 149 multiplied by 4. Here pair of 4 is 6. So we can write down 6 here. We have 14 here. So 14 plus 1, that is 15. And 4 times 15 is 60. And 60 minus 1 is 59. We got the answer 596. Let's take another example, that is 29 multiplied by 3. So here pair of 3 is 7. Add 1 to this 2. So 2 plus 1, 3. 3 cross 3, 9. 9 minus 1, that is 8. Let's take another number, 89 cross 8. So here pair of 8 is 2. Now add 1 to this 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 cross 8, that is 72. And 72 minus 1, that is 71. So here we got the 712. Let's take another example, that is 49 cross 5. Pair of 5 is 5. Add 1 to this 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 cross 5, 25. 25 minus 1, that is 24. Friends, I hope you understood the concept. Here I kept a very small test for you. Note down all these 10 questions and try to solve all these within 1 minute. And tell me in comment section that after understanding the concept, how much time you took to solve. Friends, if you take more than 1 minute, then I suggest you replay the video and learn the concept and then solve the questions again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment on this video. Thank you.